You are watching the Market Watch, brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. After 2 weeks of panic sales on the stock market, and as a result of the rapid rise in gold prices, trading activity is declining. On the first day of the week, we observed relatively sluggish trading on the stock market and the absence of unidirectional movement of gold prices. It is too early to talk about the stabilization of the situation, but everything indicates that after panic decisions, investors want to assess the current situation. In fact, I said yesterday, the key financial instruments have reached strong technical levels of support or resistance. Therefore, further decline or growth, it is necessary to obtain additional fundamental factors. Once again, I draw your attention to gold, which is very close to the psychological mark of $2,000. Nevertheless, there was no breakthrough and fixation above the technical resistance level of $1,985. This is a bad signal for buyers, increasing the risk of developing a deep corrective decline. After all, many investors who have been buying gold over the past 2 or 3 weeks may start taking profits on long positions. But it is still necessary to closely monitor developments in the Middle East. Further negotiations and the absence of an active phase of the ground operation in the Gaza Strip will contribute to the implementation of a bearish scenario. Shifting to the oil market, I will draw attention to the sales, which are most likely due to the fact that Hamas is released to hostages and Israel is holding back a broader ground invasion of the Gaza Strip. After all, this reduces the likelihood of a geographical expansion of the military conflict in the Middle East, which could lead to significant interruptions in the supply of black gold from the region. The absence of a significant aggravation of the situation will contribute to a decrease in oil prices. Nevertheless, it is not necessary to count on a deep decline in them. Recall that physical demand remains high, while supply does not increase very much. As a result, commercial and strategic oil reserves are declining, supporting oil quotes. Well, according to tradition, we are completing the release by the news of the cryptocurrencies market. As a result of the appearance of information about a significant increase in the probability of approval of applications for the creation of a Bitcoin ETF, the largest cryptocurrency broke through and fixed above the key resistance level of $32,000. If there is no pullback under this level in the coming days, it will be possible to talk about a trend change from bearish to bullish. Therefore, we are closely monitoring the appearance of any information from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.